Hashem should help. We should do everyday good things. And every time we go out from the house and come back in the house, put your hand on the Mezuzah, give a kiss or the Mezuzah, say a few words to Hashem. Hashem, help me. I should be successful today. I should have a great day. I should. I shouldn't have Tizku L'mitzvos, not good things. Yesterday it was in the news in Barapak. I didn't know if you know that, if you see it, there's a clip. In Yemen, a person goes to shul in the morning. All of a sudden, a guy comes jumping in and beat him up. But there's a clip that goes around from a security camera. Wow, innocent person, not a young man, goes with a shield, $1,000 film. All of a sudden, a car service driver, a taxi driver, jump out. Mak is reitzig. Boine Shalom, you see it, it's a pachet, mamash a pachet. So, before you go out from your house, like, put your hand on the mezuzah. Hashem, help me, nobody should do me bad things. Nobody should hurt me. Nobody should schlugen. Nobody should beat me up. Nobody should fight with me. I want to go to shul. I want to go work. I want to go home to my family. I wish to help me.